This is not fun. Hello everybody, it's Barry. Welcome. Hello Mrs. B on your broom. Oh my god. Welcome to a little Halloween recipe video today. Hello girls.
Hello.
What are they on your head?
Eyeballs. Eyeballs.
Wow, you look really scary.
Aliens.
You might remember last year we did a Halloween video, and what was that?
Pizzas.
It was pizzas, but not just any pizzas. What were they?
Skull pizzas.
Quite sinister looking. Skull pizzas. In fact, they turned out rather stonking indeed. And literally the day after, which was still Halloween last year, how quickly does time go?
Very quickly.
Yeah, almost 365 days ago. We were messaged saying, hey, you should try pumpkin pizzas. Do you know what a pumpkin pizza is?
Pizza, that's a pumpkin.
Yes, it's not a pizza with pumpkin on, which would be amazing. These are actually mini, almost like calzones. And we're going to do it with the family, right?
Yes.
Yeah.
All right.
Yeah.
What we have here is, what is that, Chloe?
Pepperoni, my absolute favourite food.
Yes, it is. What I want you to do is get some scissors. Good teamwork. And I need the pepperoni sliced up into little bits. And not put any in your mouth, okay? Teeny weeny pieces. There you go. Meanwhile, you...
Yeah.
What is that?
Basil.
Basil. Can you rip the leaves up? Does it smell good?
That's your nickname.
That is my nickname. Thanks, mate. You just rip the leaves up into little bits.
I think this is my favourite job.
Is it? In the whole world?
Yeah. Apart from eating.
Mrs. B,
Yes.
you get the enjoyable job of opening the lid on the sauce.
Oh, thank you. I can't do it.
Well,
I'm sure you've got a gadget.
they have got a gadget for that, yeah.
Use it. There's a gadget for everything.
There is, mate. What I thought would be the easiest task has turned into the hardest one. How are you guys getting on, alright?
That basil smells.
Hey! There you go. Where have you gone? You ate too much pepperoni, haven't you? Okay, so now we've done the basil and the pepperoni. Yes.
Yay!
Yay!
So now we just put it in a bowl together and mix it all, okay?
Yeah.
So we'll use the pepperoni bowl.
Yeah.
Add the basil in with the pepperoni.
Oh, yeah.
Push it in, let's go. This is some mozzarella cheese,
Yum.
grated. Last but not least, this is tomato sauce, alright? That's got a little bit of herbs in it as well. Oh, stir it together then. Let's get that going.
Should we take in turns? Sure.
Yeah, teamwork makes the dream work. Well, Mrs. B just kind of supervises, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, they're at that age now where you can just do it.
I had a dream that Mummy said that and she was in a superhero outfit. And she was like...
I had the same dream.
She was like... and she was like Superman. She put her trousers on first, then she put her pants on.
Mummy always does that. Okay, this is what you want. You don't want it too wet. If it's a bit thicker like that, it'll hold its shape more and it won't get too runny and potentially break through the pizza dough, okay?
Yeah.
I love these things because you sort of go, ah.
Hooray.
Oh, that is cool.
That's cool, isn't it?
Oh.
So we got a sheet of ready-made dough. It's been left out at room temperature for about 10 minutes. And this is what we will unravel like a carpet. And it's kind of holy. I hope this is going to work. We've cut out a little bit of the pizza dough.
Okay.
And we're now going to turn that somehow into a pumpkin.
Dun, dun,
Is that
dun.
going to be just one?
Possibly, yeah.
We can make two.
Can we make two?
Yeah.
Yeah, of course. I don't. This is where I need your help. How is that going to be a pumpkin? It's a triangle. You're making a handkerchief.
Hopefully, because then you just bring up the corners.
Like that.
Okay.
Oh, should I kept it as a square?
Well, let's find out. Gonna go for it, Phoebes?
Yeah.
Gonna dollop.
Dollop a little bit in the middle.
Are we going for loads or
Yeah.
Is that alright?
Yeah, I reckon so.
right in the middle? Okay, cool.
Yeah, I reckon that'd be alright.
Unofficially, between you and I said, oh, can we just make a massive one? You know, like one of these sort of things. And I got voted down earlier because obviously the more the filling that goes in there, the more it's going to sort of weigh down and you're going to bake it and it's just going to become one of them. Oh, have you seen those like really flat pumpkins you get? Yeah, you get loads of, you get flat, it would have been like that, but it probably would have burst as well. So we're sticking with normal ones.
Right.
So,
I'm going to fold it over.
now what? The suspense is killing me, Boston. How about you?
Right.
Hmm? Good.
Right. So then we just
I
bring
reckon you cross it over.
it, what, like that?
Yeah.
Okay.
No, that doesn't.
No, that doesn't look good. I agree with Chloe.
And then you fold it. But that doesn't look right. It's trial and error, people.
So you've kind of made it into like a purse?
Yeah. I'm just gently squeezing it.
Imagine if it had real money in it.
Mate, that would be amazing.
Amazing. Edible money.
Well, you get that at Christmas. Coins. Chocolate coins. So how is that
I think we can.
going to be a pumpkin?
Well, we then trim off the top.
Yeah.
And then don't you put string on it?
Yeah, then we wrap string around it. And you know what? Not all pumpkins are round.
Right.
You
Can,
get-
can we try and make a round one or?
You get wonky
What?
wonky pumpkins all the time.
Okay. So you're snipping the top off. Okay.
That's so.
That was elegant, wasn't it?
Right, you want to do that one, Phoebe?
Okay.
Go on, Phoebes. Right, so you've snipped the tops off now.
Yeah.
Wow, how did you not miss?
I don't know how Phoebe did
You
it.
did that.
It's luck. I
Well
don't
done,
know
mate.
how I did it.
So you obviously want to make sure it stays sealed. The string is what will hopefully give us the thing that makes it look more pumpkin-like.
I
Yeah.
hope so.
Okay.
Oh, this is quite... I'm worried. They're quite delicate.
Oh, there you go. Maybe do it upside down like that.
Yeah.
There you go. There you go. Now we're Pumpkin Town.
I guess I don't want to put it too tight.
No,
otherwise
it
it will
says-
pop it.
Yeah. That is looking pumpkin-y.
Oh yeah, now I know what you mean.
There we go.
You just
And then
want to
if
put
I
all the
just...
naughty bit at the bottom, don't you?
You should just say naughty.
If I just gently tie it.
Wait,
Yeah, and cut off the excess. Scissors!
Hammer.
Stethoscope! Hammer! Hammer?
Hammer. I don't
You're being a doctor, are you?
Right down to the knob.
Yeah, go on. That's it.
Go on, baby.
Go on, baby. What are you on about, Chloe? Go on, baby. Alright, so let's have a look. Should we just tempt?
Gently does it. Gently does it.
Oh, that does look pumpkin-y.
So cool.
Yeah.
Looks like a clove of garlic.
Oh yeah.
Let's not touch it. Okay, let's not touch it.
Sorry. When it's going to cook, it's going to rise, right?
I hope it's going to work.
I can see you're dying to have a go as well.
I'm not. Genuinely, for one of the first times ever, I am not keen to try this. You've seen me wrap my Christmas presents. Go on, Phoebes. Look at you. She quite likes her arts and crafts, doesn't she, your sister?
She's
Hang on.
probably had practice at cooking.
Really? They do that at school, do they, Phoebes?
Yeah, we do it twice a week.
What, pumpkin making?
No, cooking.
Knew you were dying to have a go.
Just got to say, off camera, I thought I'd have a go at one. Absolutely smashed it out of the park. Look. Huh? Look at that. I just rolled it into a ball.
Now try and do the string.
No. Right. This is one that's just been attempted, and I'm going to show you what I did. I kind of turned it into like a ravioli thing and sealed it. Like that. Oh no, it's a bit wet, but hopefully this will work. I then cut off all the excess.
Can I just say, make sure that you don't do it too small because there's a hole.
That's the sound of the flush. Chloe, just gone for a wee. So what I did was I took away any excess like that and sort of crimped it together, pushing it in, and then, I don't know if this is right, I kind of tucked it under, like that, because then you get your nasty bottom there, and then you've got a nice sort of round, fairly round thing that can be shaped quite easy. Alright, Chloe? Open that can then, mate. Might as well make another one. So I think my ones, although there was a slightly quicker method, and I did crimp it together, we think they could burst.
Oh, mummy.
Well, that was my cheating method, see? I don't know if that's... Because it was wet anyway.
Maybe shouldn't have done
That's not right.
I don't know, these two look good. That's the main thing.
What did I do there? Oh no.
That's a good one, mate. We've got a real... what the heck is
I
that?
don't know what's happened to this
Is that
one.
the right way up? Oh, that was split. Oh, no. Okay. Maybe that's... I don't... Yeah, some of these are going to work, some of them aren't, right? It's fair to say, this one here looks like a stone or a bar of soap, doesn't it?
My favourite is probably this one, this one, this one, this one.
Yeah. What do you think? Was that fun?
Yes, it was tedious.
Phoebe, I need you to crack this egg. Chloe needs just the egg yolks, don't you, mate?
Yes.
Get the yolk in there, mate. Boom. Alright, good work, mate. Did they teach you that at school?
No, I just watched you.
Oh, yes. I'm high-fiving the camera. Alright.
Yay. Daddy goes.
That'll do. Look like 2 eyes. Hello. Is that paprika? Good impression, mate. Right, get a little shake of the paprika in there. Just a teeny weeny shake at first, not too much.
Should we get a little spoon?
Nah, I trust her. Just a little shake.
It's a little shake.
Little shaky shake.
That's like a... I can't do that.
All right, get a little spoon then,
I think
Chloe.
you pour some in the lid.
Oh no, Chloe.
No.
That's a bit too much, mate.
That's it. Oh,
Yeah.
that.
Okay, a little bit more than that. We're not doing deviled eggs today.
No. There, yeah.
Okay, cool. Now use your wand. That's like a little broom. And yes, it's pulverise the yolk. That's it. Mix it together. And that not only is it going to egg wash the dough to give it a nice golden colour. What's the matter? You don't like it?
You don't look impressed.
I like what it's done
Oh,
though.
it's nice.
Beat all the powder through though. Beat it all through. Ladies,
Yes.
whilst Chloe is still stirring that,
Yes.
thank you, Chloe. Could you please place your pumpkins onto a baking tray? I like it when I have help. It's great.
Do you really? Is it just hard work? Some of them I'm quite scared to lift.
Oh, I don't want to do them.
Alright, I'll do them.
That's enormous. Look at that.
That's gonna go. Do we need
That's
to...
like an actual pumpkin. Oh, so I actually ended up putting it on a bigger tray. One of them has already exploded. So this is going to work out, isn't it?
Yeah.
We're gonna have rotten pumpkins.
Rotten pumpkin.
Do I paint it?
Yeah, brush it just very lightly. That's it, you want to stain it. Oh, wow.
So
Cool.
Doing a good job there, mate. Do not disturb an artist at work. All right, fair to say we have got a bit of a mixed bag here. What
Yeah.
are you thinking, Mrs. B?
I'm thinking they're gonna look different when they're cooked.
Yes, let's stay hopeful. This one has potential.
These three might explode, especially that one because they're quite bulky.
Yes. The girl's going to put it in the oven. Let's go. In it goes. Bet you're going to help the kids put it in the oven?
I'll open it. I'll open the oven.
Careful, stand to the side.
Oh.
Oh.
Oh my gosh.
Yeah, that's a really good.
I don't know if that worked. Did that work?
He got it. That's. We're not impressed.
Ah, well, Chloe screamed like she was being attacked by a thing. I wonder if the dogs like it. Look at me. No, they can't be bothered. The best guard dogs in the world. Brilliant.
We think they're ready.
This is like a live update.
It smells like cheese.
Well, that's because there's cheese in there.
Food in the world. It's only been in. Look at that little sip one for 4 minutes.
Wow, actually, some of them do look good.
Look, one's literally bubbling.
Oh yeah, that's probably burst. But if it doesn't only burst a little bit, that's fine.
We got them out the oven.
We have, and I've just flung the trivet. I don't know. Right, there we go.
Right,
Stick
that
it
way,
down,
that
mate.
way, that way.
Ah, that one does look like brains.
That one's not done too bad.
Yeah, actually, this one.
I think
This
that
one?
one looks really good.
To be fair, if you squint your eye at it like a zombie, can you do that for me? Like that.
They look like
I was actually talking to the kid to be honest.
They look like pumpkins.
If you squint your eye a little bit, they do look like pumpkins anyway. You actually don't need to squint your eye. That's very hot. Don't touch it. Let's let these cool down,
Yeah.
and then we'll get to taste them. A little garnish, right?
There's safety reasons. Take the string off.
Oh yes, forgot the string. We picked our favourite 4 right now, and I'm just gonna sort of be like a butcher.
Let's just hope you don't open the
Oh no.
cut the string off and it goes.
Yeah. Oh wow. Oh no. I think I might cut it at the bottom. This is not fun.
It's like heart surgery. Trying to cut the vein. Or whatever they're called, those weird things on the heart.
Shut up! I don't normally get this commentary. Oh my gosh. Jeez, I'm just trying to cut some string off a pizza pumpkin. For goodness sake. Get a heartbeat. Huh? I feel like I'm on a game show. It's really hard work. Oh,
Is he going to make it?
oh no, it doesn't make it.
The heart's thudding
Oh look,
inside.
look.
No.
Ah, look, as you take the string off.
Can we just eat?
Yes, we can just eat it.
Oh,
Oh no.
Maybe they need to be cooked longer.
Just pulls right through the dough, like rips through it. Look at that. I do not want to do that again. Well, that looks good.
Can't we just display them with the string on, and then we'll just take it off when we eat them?
We've got to eat around the string.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's what it kind of looked like. I just did another one, and as I pulled the string out, it's a little bit better. I'm quite happy with that one. That will do. What do you think, girls?
That's actually really good.
Passable?
That one's actually really good.
That's way better than that one.
Thanks. Do you know what? They actually now look quite good. I'm quite happy with that. The string getting off, good luck with that. All you do, come on girls, put some basil on the top there.
There we go.
Can I eat one now?
Can someone do the squinty eye again, please? Right, they actually look pretty good. I preferred the pizza skull because that was easy. You just literally shoved the dough into a pan, which my neighbour now has randomly.
I do like it though, because it was like working together as a team, as a family. We
Yeah,
did a
bit of family bonding over a sort of half. I mean, it looks good from afar. The ones that we haven't shown you looked horrendous, so enjoy it. I think that's the main thing.
Yes.
You're just literally just waiting to.
Yeah, you two are hungry.
Just go. Right, ready?
Yeah.
Oh wow!
This is worth waiting.
The saltiness of the pepperoni.
The basil spices it up.
The basil always does spice it up, baby.
Boston and Amy, they're just looking at us like,
The dogs do get jealous, yeah. Well, there we go. Another Halloween video in the bag. This one was tricky. That's probably the trickiest Halloween thing we've ever done. Do check out some other videos.
Good.
I don't have to scare your kids and wife with a mask, it's optional. But if you do try that out, send us a picture on social media and we'll share it. All that other stuff. Goodbye.
Bye.
Check your level player. No matter what your style, the kitchen's for me. Simon's moustache, goatee, maybe all three.
Alright, ready guys? Oh, you're putting them on. Nice.
you try that. They're
Huh?
actually quite hard to
Ow, they feel quite hard.
That's a torture device, that was the idea.
Ah, they're really tight. Do you think it's because they're designed for children's heads?
Maybe, yeah.
It's the thing with me.
Do you want to just wear the sombrero, Chloe?
Yeah!
Okay,
Ole!
there you go.
Watch out for Phoebe.
Oh, sorry.
Would you like to try them?
Yes.
Ooh, ooh.
Actually, no, I don't know if I like the look of this.
I'll turn on this then.
Excuse me. Sorry.
Ow! I saw it not even on my head. Look.
They really hurt.
Brilliant.
You got eyeball
I
ears.
feel like a confused slug. Amazing. There you go, boy. Huh? It doesn't really fit you. Nope. No, it doesn't. Alright.